What's up, guys? Today we'll be adding a couple of things before we add the 3 AIs to fight, just because it makes more sense to me. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's open our My Character blueprint, and we're going to go over to our game HUD right here on the event begin play. We're going to drag off of the return value and we're going to promote it to a variable. We'll call this the game HUD reference, so game HUD ref, compile and connect it up like such, and then you're just going to want to drag off of it and say set visibility to hidden, and this is going to set our game HUD hidden by default. So then, how are we going to get it back? We're going to go into our I'm in battle function, and right before everything else on the true, we are going to not do that. We're going to drag our game HUD reference in, and then we're going to set visibility to visible on the true. I know it's a bit messy, we'll clean this up eventually. It's just we are changing things constantly. Anyway, so drag off of your game HUD reference again and say set visibility to hidden, and plug it into the false node, or the false execution pin, and compile and save. And that should set our game HUD on and off whether we are in battle or not. Let's have a test. Here it's off and it's on. We can run away and it's off again. Okay, so moving on, next thing we want to do is play some sound when we're in battle. So let's drag off at the end here and say spawn, not spawn with a double, spawn sound at location, and that sound I'm going to use is I don't have it in here, so I'll just use the starter background cue, and then I will promote this to a variable. I will call this battle noise, and then what you're going to want to do is say set active like such, and over here we're going to drag out our battle noise, get it, and say set active to null, compile and save, and that should play our sound. It seems to be working, and it switches off when we go out. Alright, we've got a bit of errors, let's just fix that. So we can go into our character, and right before all of this, or no, rather over here, sorry, we're going to drag off and say is valid, question mark, and only if it's valid we will continue with setting it to active. Same thing at the bottom, is valid, question mark, and if it is valid we will stop playing the sound. So let's see if that has worked. Yes, it has worked. Alright, so I think one more thing that I want to do is let's go over to our UI folder and let's add a widget, and we're going to call this you died. Let's save that, and let's head over to our character on the event graph. Off of the sequence pin, sequence node on the event tick, we're going to make another pin. We're going to drag off, we'll do a branch, and we'll grab our character's HP, and if his HP is less than or equal to naught, then we're going to set the game paused, and then we're going to create a widget. That widget will be the you died widget. We'll add it to the viewport, and yeah. Alright, so if you die, it's going to create that widget, add it to the viewport, and set it to paused. So inside of that widget, we are going to add an image. I'm going to set the anchor to the full body. I'm going to set all the offsets to naught so it covers everything. Then the inside image, I'm going to go into the textures and set it to the HUD backing. You died. Set it to that. Yeah. Compile. And then I'm going to add a button. This is just for debugging. This is just a quick one. We will go over this further later. So let's just set that anchor to the middle. Put a text on the button, and the text will say continue, and then what are we going to do? We're going to set the Z order of this button to 1, and we're going to click on a button, go over to the event graph, add an on clicked, and then off of here we're going to say open level, and we'll open the level that we start in, or start a level. Just have a look, see where that is quickly. It's called top down example map, so let's copy that back in here and just paste it like that. Compile and save. And for debugging purposes, let's go over to, I'm on the floor, not our character. So let's go over to our character and set his HP to 0.1 and push play, and let's attack him and see him kill us, hopefully. Yep. And now we can continue, and it'll open it up again. Alright, so that's our video for today. I'll carry on tomorrow, and we'll start on the big stuff, which is our new 3 AI blueprint. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really got a lot going on in here. It's got some functions, we got some new variables, and yeah, but it all works. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.